Riders, save money at Cycle Ivan's on Forest Hill Boulevard. For over 22 years, Ivan has been providing expert motorcycle and scooter repairs, servicing, and sales with special attention to customer satisfaction. That means when Ivan puts a wrench to your pride and joy, you'll be flat out thrilled with the results. That includes all makes and models for repairs, parts, tires, even pickup and towing. Get hooked up by calling 561-588-2302 to get pickup and drop-off details from Cycle Ivan's, or log on cycleivans.net. And isn't it amazing how many miles a scooter gets on a gallon of gas? Get to Cycle Ivan's and check out the full line of scooters and motorcycles available today. Best of all, Ivan stands behind all his products and services with customer satisfaction guaranteed, and that's a fact. So remember, for motorcycle or scooter repairs, count on Cycle Ivan's on Forest Hill Boulevard just east of Congress in West Palm Beach. Call 561-588-2302 or log on cycleivans.net. Right on with Cycle Ivan's.